Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can export reports into different formats. And the report that I want to export is this customers report. If I open it, which is quite bright, this is the report that I want to export into the other formats. So if I close that off, the first one I want to do is Excel. Open Excel, and I'm going to tick this little box, which means it will open when I export it, but it's using the report name as the file name. You can change the location if you so wish, but I'm just going to click OK to that, and then it should open it. That is the report. So it isn't formatted exactly the same as the report in Access, but the data has come through like so. So I'll go back into Access. You've got the option there to save if you want. I'm not going to, I'm just going to close that and go for the next one. The next one is a text file. Now, text is exactly that, text, so formatting won't come through. Again, I'll get it to open, clicking OK. And then you've got these options, you can tick these. I'm going for the default at the top. I'll click OK to that, and then it should open that one. Now the format's gone all over the place in this one. So you can see the data's come through, but because of the way that was laid out, it's not looking great. But there you go. Close that one down. Close this down. Next one is a PDF. Clicking on that one, it will create a PDF and publish it. So it'll open it up as a web browser, and you should see that coming up in a second. There we go. So that has actually maintained the look of it. So it's very similar to what print preview would look like. Coming back into Access, not saving that. Next one is email. So this will attach it to a email with it, whichever format you want. Again, I'm going for PDF. Rich text would be like a Word table. XPS is like Word's version, Microsoft's version of a PDF, but I'm going for PDF. And then clicking OK. That will open up Outlook and attach it to an email ready to be sent and addressed. There you go. There's the PDF, not addressed, ready for me to address that. Going back into Access, So that was email. The next one is Access itself. You can actually send that report into another database. If I click on that and browse for a database, so I'm going to put it into this one, saving that. Okay, it's already been there, so I'll click OK to that, and then there you go. That's in that database. Now you've also got the Word area there's grayed out, but you can actually send it into Word through this option. If I go down there, click on that, and again I'll get this to open, clicking OK, and then that opens it up in Word. Customers, like so. So it's set for one customer per page, which is as it is there in Word. I'll come back into Access, just cancel that, not saving that. So they're just some of the options that you have to export into different packages, different formats, using the external data tab on the ribbon. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.